Came to pick my mower up at ABF. It's a second trailer. First trailer was too small. The mower is gonna come in a crate. It's gonna be some assembly. First I had was it a 5x9? 5x9 wasn't big enough. I had to go back and get this 6x12. So this should be big enough. Document the process so that I can help anybody else. Gotta put my seat on. I'm gonna go through. I gotta put my seat on. I think I got to the battery. Hook my battery up. Put my seat on. I'm gonna check my oil and check my gas. All right. Apparently it takes 3.5 gallons of fuel. Had to break the whole crate out. Even with the 6x12 foot U-Haul style trailer, the crate just wouldn't go straight in. He had to lift it up and put it, laying it inside of the trailer. Again, I had to install the seat. Bolt there, both 13 millimeter or 1/2 inch. Had to install the battery, black terminal, red terminal. I think those are 11 millimeter. Had to connect the seat sensor. Had to connect the seat sensor up through here and fill her with gas. Had to open the fuel line here. It was turned in a straight up and down position. I had to turn it in the way that the line goes. And I crunk it right on up. Oh, I had to pull the boot down, loosen this bottom with an Allen style key and a 13 millimeter on the other side, and then pull it upright and install this one. It actually sits kind of low, so I might get a better view of that. I might move it up, move this up to this hole and this up to this hole, give me, I guess, maybe an inch or two. You have to do that on both sides when it comes in the crate. What else? Again, this is the residential mower. Had a hard time trying to figure it out. I haven't driven a zero-turn lawnmower in so long. And the one that I did used to ride around on was a commercial one when I worked for a landscaping company. So there is no pedal for the grass cutting deck to lower it. It's just this handle. to lift it up. So in order to crank it, you got to put your choke on, power button on, handles out in the out position, and then turn the key. So I'll turn it on for you. Oh, I forgot it's got the seat. I was gonna give you a good view of it, but it's got the seat, so I'll let you hear it. See, my grass is pretty high. I'm gonna cut it. I'll let you see. Might even put some lines in it. Okay, so just start the minute. First cut. It's so easy my son could do it. First cut. My entire yard was like this high. Like really. Grass was really high. You can see how high it is over the mower and the wheels. But that's fresh cut. So I got it in the lowest setting it can go. Lowest setting it can go. And that's the difference. I think it cut pretty good for the first cut. I'm used to the commercial size ones, so it's a little different. It is kind of wet out here. I need to check my tire pressure, see if I got enough air in there. Because I am doing a lot of slipping on certain little inclines, certain small inclines and hills and stuff. So, yeah, first cut. Husqvarna Z254 with the 7000 series Kohler engine, 26 horsepower. All right, crank it up. Close, leave it open. Open. All right, and then turn the key. Yeah. They're both all the way open. Make sure they both all the way open. Okay. And then make sure since you a little light, make sure that seat thing feels you. Yeah, bounce on it. Put your weight on it. Scoot to the front of it a little bit. Scoot to the front. Try to put your weight on it. Turn it. Which way you turning, son? Put your pressure on the seat. You too light.